pretty Jillie. Hi Jillie, out of 53. What is that, a smudge on her coat or is that discoloring? Is that dirt?
A little bit of both.
Are you a little bit of redhead? That's so odd, that marking. Beautiful. It looks like he's got a wine stain.
Oh yeah, that's hot too.
Yeah. Hi baby. Jillie, you want to say hi to TomTom here? She's young. Oh, now you're realizing there's a kitty in there. It's got that insecurity leg going on. You want to say hi to this one, Tom? Tom wants to say hi to you. Jillie, say hi to the kitty. She's insecure. I don't think she's ever seen a cat before. Oh, Tom likes you too. Tom, be nice. He's in the mood. Tom, you be nice. He's not doing anything. It's like, I was sleeping, Mom, when you got me. Jill. Come here. You want a cookie? What a good girl. Sit. Good, sit. And so gentle. She's adorable. You're a beautiful, beautiful shiny coat. Is that a kitty here? Tom is purring. You better be nice, Tom. She's like, I want nothing to do with you. I don't trust you. Oh, poor baby. Go say hi and be nice, would you? Come here. Come here, Jillie. What else can you do? Jillie, you down? Down? Sit. Down. Down. Oh, good. Down. What a good girl. You know stuff. Maybe she knows sit and shake. Maybe you can do it. Shake. Paw. No. Shake. Sit. Oh, paw. No, don't give it to her. No, you're a sucker. You never teach him anything doing that.
Paw.
Shake.
Or shake.
High five. She wants to. She's doing the dance.
Shake. Paw.
Jillie.
High five. Go. Down. Down.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she just got spayed. You can tell the innocence in her.
Yeah.
She's that puppy innocence. Hi, what's a kitty over here? Say hi. This video is getting long and there's nothing much going on. There you go. Good girl. It's good.
Yeah, nothing.